Have you ever made promise to someone? And how did you feel while making promises to the people? So today's cue card is related with the promise only. Hi friends, Monita this side from Expert IELTS Advisor, and today I'll be speaking on another cue card of speaking module in IELTS, and that is you have to describe a time when you made promise to someone, and the questions that follow are: whom did you make the promise? What promise did you make? Why did you make it? And how did you feel while fulfilling it? So the vocabulary words that you can use in this cue card, I'll firstly discuss those vocabulary idioms that you can use in these type of topics, and then I'll discuss some ideas with you. तो कौन से गुड vocabulary words आप इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं 7 या फिर मोर देन 7 बैंड स्कोर करने के लिए? इसमें आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो आइडियाज़ मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ उससे रिलेटेड जो vocabulary words हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ काउच पोटैटो. बहुत बार सुना होगा आपने काउच पोटैटो. सो इट्स नॉट अ पोटैटो दैट इज केप्ट इन द काउच. दिस इज अ वेरी लेजी पर्सन. The person who was stuck to something, who is glued to something, is called a couch potato. And the next word that you can use in this kind of cue card is the sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle is very lazy, very slow. When the person is very lazy and sluggish, we can use it that the person is following the sedentary lifestyle. And the next word that will be used here in this cue card is the binge watch. That is, the kind of the episodes when what the multiple episodes or the series of episodes of any serial is watched sitting at one time is called the binge watching. And then comes the Herculean task. So keeping a promise, fulfilling it is most of the people is a Herculean task. It's a very difficult task called to be. And then comes predicament. That are the problems we face in doing, in accomplishing something. Accomplishment is the successful completion of something. As fit as fiddle, जो भी क्यू कार्ड में डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ वो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है. तो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड अगर कुछ क्यू कार्ड आता है तो नेवर फॉरगेट टू यूज दिस इडियम एज फिट एज फिडल, दैट इज healthy. And then comes obese. Obese means the person who is very fat is called the obese person, who's having the obesity. Let's start with the topic now. It was about the promises. So as I have already told you that while starting any cue card, you firstly have to speak at least 1 or 2 sentences about the main topic. So since it's about a promise, so you can start with the promises. I don't believe that promises are to be made for breaking it. Whenever I have made a promise, I have always tried to keep it. Whether I make the promises to my friends, to my family, or to anyone else, I always do my best efforts or put my best efforts to keep the promises. So today I have got the opportunity to speak about a time when I made a promise, and today I'll be talking about the time when I made the promise to my parents. So it's not long back, just last year, when there was the entire scenario of the lockdown. I was in the habit of watching the television a lot, and everybody started me calling the couch potato. I never missed the opportunity of binge watching the multiple episodes of so many TV serials. TV serials के लिए आप another word use कर सकते हो, soap operas. And I started spending the sedentary lifestyle. That is the easy and the very lethargic lifestyle. So now the first topic is, whom did you make the promise? I mentioned it right in the beginning that I made the promise to my parents of changing my lifestyle, because that was the time when I started watching a lot of TV and I started spending the lethargic lifestyle. So my parents, they were very much frustrated and started irritating for me for my lifestyle, and that's why I made a promise to them that I will entirely change my lifestyle. So the first topic that was given right at the beginning after the main cue card, that was, what was the promise? Whom did you make the promise? So I made the promise to my parents. And then comes, what promise did you make? So you can use the signpost words that speaking about the promise that I made to my parents. It was related with the change that I really committed to bring in my daily lifestyle. So I have already spoken on it, that what kind of change did you want to bring and why did you want to bring the change in that. So I always insist on using some signpost words when you shift from one question to another question, even in the cue cards, because cue cards we are given certain short questions on which you have to speak one by one. So since examiner is listening to you, and you have to be very clear in front of the examiner that you have understood the question well, and while shifting from the previous question to the next one, you have to use some connectors, which are also called the signpost words, as I used right in the beginning, that to start with the promise that I made with my parents. And what promise? You can speak it like coming to the promise that I made, it was related with the change that I really wanted to bring in my lifestyle. So now you are left with the two further questions, that is, why did you make this promise? So before answering this question, you can start it like the cue card is in the past, so you have to be very careful in fact about using the tense. So why did you make the promise? There were many reasons, plethora of reasons, that I was forced to make this promise, because my parents were really concerned about my health, and they really got irritated on seeing me lethargic, and they really didn't want me to have some predicaments in my health, problems in my health, and they were so much eager that I should change my lifestyle. So I made the promise that I will do the needful, and I started following a very strict routine. I used to get up, and I started getting up early in the morning. Then I started going to the morning walk also. So I also added a little time for my exercise. Then I worked on my diet as well. I started eating the food which I never liked, but for the happiness of my parents, for keeping my promise, I started eating that food which I didn't relish at all. And I really took a couple of months to fulfill my promise that I made to my parents, that I will definitely change my lifestyle. And the weight I had gained in the previous years, they started calling me obese. So I really changed my outlook, and from obese I turned into a healthy person, and they started calling me as fit as fiddle. So that was the time when I made the promise to my parents, and I didn't leave any stone unturned. So this is another idiom that came to my mind, and you can use it also in your cue card. I didn't leave any stone unturned means I didn't leave any effort that I didn't make to fulfill my promise that I made. And so the last question was, how did you feel while making this promise? Okay, so now finally making the promise or fulfilling the promise was not that easy for me, and I faced many challenges. Sometimes I really found the times that I was not happy with the diet, with the food I was following, the diet I was following. But since I have made the promise, and I have mentioned right in the beginning that I never believe in breaking the promises. So though it was difficult for me, and many problems I faced fulfilling it, but with the full determination and the consistency, I was enabled to keep my promise, and I really made my parents happy. They felt proud on me that whatever words I give, I really keep those words and fulfill my promises. So that's all. तो अभी आपको 2 minutes के लिए बोलना था, and I have given multiple ideas, and I have used many words also that are really going to help you in case you get any topic related with the health. So the vocabulary I have used, you can use the vocabulary in the topics related with the health for both speaking and writing. If the video you found is really helpful for you, you please don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.